Thank you. But eat first. Guys, I'm using the Wi-Fi, so if my network is bad, I'm sorry. Get out of here. It's not chill yet. Ooh.
What are you doing, Malia?
I'm playing.
Leave that control. Put it there, Tisha.
Movie.
Shit.
I'm live. Yo.
What does that got to do with anything?
Like your man.
No, I'm just telling you guys not to say anything.
Wait.
Please look at the profile picture.
How far is the Uber, bro?
Just like, look at it.
That boy is already gone. What are you going to do with that boy? Gucci. Yeah. But any car that you see, any car that you see outside to Uber. Oh, yeah. Then the normal jet
Nah. Nah.
That's fine.
Bro, do you have Uber on your phone? You have Uber?
Yeah.
Can you please request it to your phone? I think Thando was banned.
Banned from what? Nigga, you live in, I don't know, what? Hi. Heaven. It's not my fault.
Where I am, they are gonna know where you are. So you're fucking yourself over. What is this, bro? Yeah. What is this, bro? Why are we saying that? What the fuck? Man,
Guys.
yeah. You're good. Because it's Thando's profile, it popped up a hand. Popped up what? A hand. I panda.
If you have epilepsy or get out. Flash warning.
So people are not allowed to die in peace. Wait.
Die in peace, how?
Epilepsy and get us a problem with life. Isn't that a thing? Isn't that epilepsy?
It is.
Yeah, they have problems with life. That's what I know. You can Uber go guys.
Guys.
Then let's see on your phone. Let's see on yours. Let's see on your phone.
It's 15 minutes away, so. I can't go in.
You tell me go fetch the black before you go.
What did you say?
He said, babe, can you please fetch the bag?
What did you say? I heard you.
Why would I call Thando baby, bro?
Why, Farouk?
No reason. The whole year is one big family.